Welcome to AWelt CAD channel. Today I would like to present you the topic Chamfer, how and where to use Chamfer command and its purpose. I have already prepared some tasks and solutions to use Chamfer command in different situations. Let's do it together. Solutions and tasks. For that, just type CHA, shortcut key for chamfer command, or just select chamfer command from the ribbon. After selecting, we will see multiple options on the command box such as polyline, distance, angle, trim method, multiple. These are the different options we can choose and apply for chamfer. In task 1, we see chamfer distance 1 is equal to 0, chamfer distance 2 is equal to 0. That means edges of the both corners of the rectangle become trimmed when there is intersection happened. I will show you how it works on this side. Now we will select distance option from command box and specify the first and second distance as 0 value, and then press enter, and then select first line as this and second line this. See, when we move cursor on to the second line, it is automatically showing trim. That means selecting lines will not trim and other intersecting lines will remove from it. In task 2, we will see distance applied to both edges of the side 10, 15. Now type CHA shortcut command for chamfer. Click the distance on the chamfer box. Now type the first chamfer distance 10, enter it, and second chamfer distance 15. Then again enter it. Just move cursor on to the first line and click on it, and the second line also. And let's see the chamfer of distance 10 and 15 on it. Now we will apply distance 20 on one side and angle 30° on another side. For that, we will choose angle command on the command box. Enter the value of length on the first line, that is 20, and enter it, and then specify the second angle, chamfer angle from the first line, that is 30°. Apply on it, and then let's see. Let's move it to task 3. Here we will do dimension 20 to both sides with trim and not trim. For that, let's click to trim option in the chamfer command box. Then enter with trim option and then the given distance respectively. Then click on to the first and second line. Now you can see this trim. Then we will repeat the same command with no trim option with same dimension. Now you can see the chamfer functioned without trimming the edges. Now task 4 shows how we can use chamfer command option multiple times. We will apply 20 dimension. For that, we will select distance option on the chamfer command box. Then specify the value 20. Then choose the option trim and select trim and choose multiple options. After that, place the cursor onto the line where we prepared several commands to be applied. Let's see, all the edges become trimmed. Now we will apply same function without trim option. We will get all the edges of the square without trim. Next task, we will provide different dimension. Let's see how it will work. First chamfer distance as 20 and second chamfer distance as 30. Now we will get appropriate chamfer gauges value as we provided. We can intersect two lines using chamfer command. I will show you how it is possible. Select the distance option on the chamfer command box and apply the first and second distance as 0. Then click on to both the lines. You will see both the lines are intersect with each other. Next task, we can intersect two lines and at the same time we can give dimension values. For that, let's select trim option from command box of chamfer. Then select distance option as value 30 on both lines. Then click on to the both lines we want to apply. Next task, we apply chamfer option onto the polylines. For example, 20 dimension, when we apply onto it, we'll get at one click all the edges of the polyline as value 20. Same way, we can provide it on other tasks. If you learned something from this video, please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel to see notification of new videos. Thanks for watching. We will again meet in next tutorial.